sa unang panahon mga kaibigan, pabrayta na yun, no? Pareha na ito, mga bulok-bulok, gagid taluoy, gigaita. Ang mga honor sa una, mga bright sa una, mga cum laude, mga kaibigan, sa pagkakaroon nga generation. I don't know na. Sa una, we just go to another countries to learn their language, to go to school, to enroll these kinds of course in order to be a translator, di ba? But now we just the split of seconds. If you want to know how to speak on that, we cannot to become fluent, but yung sinasabi ho natin, like for example, yung Bisaya natin, itra-translate natin ng Chinese, itra-translate natin ng Korean, itra-translate natin ng Spanish. It can easily, mga kaibigan. Kaya, yung mga bright sa una, sa pagkakaroon, wala na. Just to accept the world of reality, the world of knowledge, that the AI intelligence right now is the most rapidly evolved in the human society. Yan po mga kaibigan. In different countries, they are using AI for AI intelligence in capturing criminals. AI can translate easily in the split of seconds, in the split of minutes. They can translate that the person, how many crimes or how many times to be convicted or to be arrested, that kinds of violations. Especially, di ba mga kaibigan, hindi na patatagisan ito ng katalinuhan mga kaibigan. It's to be wise how to use AI intelligence, that we are a guidance of that AI. Especially, noon, di ba, pag sinasabi natin, masarap magluluto yan. Ngayon, it's already AI algorithm to be used in cooking, to be used in hotel as a front desk, to be used in hospital para mag-o-opera, to conduct surgeons operations, mga kaibigan. That's right. Just beginning right now to the most valuable evolutions of the wisdom. Yan ang mga sinasabi ho natin. Kaya maraming hindi naniniwala sa akin before that I am targeting for this. Because the highway of the biggest in communications is only for the internet. Unless otherwise there is internet, mga kaibigan, we can be used to be more progressive. But to solving these kinds of different criminals activities in the society, it can easily to captured right now through the AI intelligence. Na most probably, mga kaibigan, in the near future, just to accept the reality. Do not to be, bright ko. Hindi na yan magagamit ngayon. Just I am not to disgrade for those magna cum laude, summa cum laude, mga kaibigan. Even the court right now, there is a court in the world who are using AI intelligence because they can easily to translate the law itself, mga kaibigan, di ba? Ganun ho, especially in the criminal investigations, in the criminal justice. Ganun ho mga kaibigan, in court proceeding, even in the congressional hearing, Senate hearing, and many others, mga kaibigan. It can easily to put your speech, mga kaibigan. It can be easy. Kaya ikaw, hambugiro kay bright ka, karon di na magamit. Bright kaayo ang AI ron. ChatGPT, pinaka-bright. Pinaka-bright. Layo ra kay na mo, sulat-sulat pa ka. You can split for how many hour? You can write for yung mga bright, dali ka sulat. Just in 1 hour or tunga sa oras, makaano na sila. But something on the ChatGPT, any chatbot like Nova AI right there. Split of seconds lang, minutes, pak! Your speech will become more concise, more effective. Yan ho mga kaibigan. Ikaw pa, Bright, wala na yan. Hindi na yan magagamit ngayon.